the strawberries, they do about anything for food, including dropping breadcrumbs into the water to attract fish, and rain like sounds to attract or trick worms to coming up to the surface. They love leftover human food, berries, worms, seeds. They love it so much they'll steal it from other birds, animals, and humans. They'll even eat their own kind. This, my friend, is called cannibalism. Yuck! Despite being cannibals, they're one of the few birds that can drink salt water. They have special glands above their eyes. They can do this by eliminating the excess salt in their body. Depending on the species of seagulls, they can weigh from 4 ounces to 4 pounds. Watch out, seagulls! Eagle above! One of the seagull's only predators is the eagle, or birds of prey. They're usually covered in white plumage and have black wingtips. However, some can be completely white. Their body is strong and they have webbed feet, and their beak is usually curved and yellow. Why the beak is curved is to scoop fish out of the water, and they drain the water from draining it out of the side of their mouth or beak. They usually stay in colonies, which can range from a few birds to thousands of birds. The couples, however, in the colonies will defend their territory from other birds in the colony. They also mate for life and come together each year to reproduce and care for their young. They usually build their nests out of plant materials. They build it on the ground or on a cliff. They also lay eggs, which can be brown or an olive green. The incubation usually takes around 22 days to 26 days. Once the young are born, they go to nursery flocks where they learn the necessary skills of survival. Oh, not again! Would you like? Comment? Subscribe. See you next time. Okay, guys. So seagulls are quite that bad about stealing human food, but they really do like it. See you next time.